morning children, welcome to your maths class. So in the last class we have seen what are angle types of angles we have seen. Now in today's class we will see the types of lines. So first let me discuss what is a line. Already we discussed this. So a line is nothing but which extends on both the direction and it is not having any definite length and no direction. Sorry, it has two directions. It extends in the both the direction. So how a line is represented? Like this. A and so whenever you are representing a line, so the symbol should be written on the top of it. Clear? So this is line. In this line also we have three types. One is intersecting lines, perpendicular lines and parallel lines. So what are intersecting lines? We will see now. Intersecting lines are nothing but if two lines have a common point, they are called intersecting lines. Okay. Suppose I have taken a line on M and one more line which is M. So you can name a line as with the smaller letters L, M, N, O like that, or else in this way A, B is a line. In both the ways we can represent a line. Okay. Now here two lines are there, L and M, and this L and M are intersecting at one point. This is your common point. Let us name it as O. Okay. So if the two lines are intersecting at one common point, we can say that these type of lines are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines like this. Many more you can show like this. Okay. If I have taken two pencils or two chalk pieces, see. Suppose these two are the lines we assume. Okay. Now this is line L and this is line M. Now these two are intersecting like this, and this is your common point. This is your common point. So such type of lines we call them as intersecting lines. Now can you give me some example for intersecting lines in your day-to-day life? Yes. Crossroads. Yes. Crossroads. If you see the roads, crossroads. See like this. This road and this road are intersecting at one point. Am I right? And one more, scissors you can take. Okay, if you open the scissor, how the scissor will look like if you open the scissor? So it will look like the intersecting lines. Even dandiya sticks, you will play with the dandiya sticks, right? So how you will play like this? You will play, yes. So they will be in the position of intersecting lines. If you take dinner set, means we will arrange the things on the dinner table, right? So this is your table. So even in this table also you can find the intersecting lines and many more you can find. Okay. So write down at least 3 examples for this. Okay. 3 examples you write down for this. In coming to your perpendicular lines, if two lines intersect each other at right angle, then the lines are parallel. Here also the lines will be intersect, but how they will intersect? It forms a perpendicular. Perpendicular means a right angle. You know how the right angle, this is your right angle. Okay. So the two lines will form a right angle. Such type of lines we call them as perpendicular line. See, this is one line, name it as some L, and this is one more line, name it as some M. Okay. So here it is forming the right angle 90 degrees. So this type of lines we call them as perpendicular. Why means these two are intersecting at one common point and forming the right angle. Forming the right angle. Okay. Like this. So here it is forming the right angle. Okay. Now, can you give me the examples for perpendicular? Yes. Plus symbol. Plus symbol you can give. And your church symbol will be there. Yes. Church symbol. Next. Ambulance. Your medical kit will be there. No? Ambulance. Now it will be plus sign. Yes. Next. Even in the English alphabets also you will find the perpendicular. Where? In the letter L. Take the letter L. Take the letter T. Okay. So you try to find these type of perpendicular lines in the alphabet and in your regular even your scale also. See, on the scale you will find the lines, parallel lines. The distance between the lines will be same. Clear? So these are the three types of lines we have seen here. And about this, and even for parallel lines also, you write down at least 3 examples. Okay? Now, coming to your exercise 5.3. Which of the following are models for parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and which are neither of them? See, here they have given the vertical window bars. Vertical window bars. You have seen the windows, right? And how the windows are? The windows are vertically. Now, what type of example is this? These lines come under either intersecting, parallel or perpendicular. Okay, you have to answer them. Railway lines, track, just now I told you. The adjacent edges of your door. Adjacent edges of your door means how the door will be? Like this door will be there. Yes? Adjacent sides means these two are adjacent sides. Side by side. So how the lines are? Intersecting or perpendicular or parallel. Okay, you find it out and write down the answer. The letter V in English alphabet. The letter V. V. So for this V is having what? Common point. A common point is for what? Type of lines. So you find out and write. The opposite edges of blackboard. This is your blackboard. Opposite means this line is opposite to this line. Okay. So what type of lines are these? Find it out. Trace the set copy of set squares on your paper and mark the perpendicular edges. So you will find the set squares in your geometry box. Right? How the set squares will be there? Set squares. Yes? This is one set square and one more type of set square will also be there in your book. So, what you have to do is you take one set square and draw the trace this one. Okay, you place on the paper and you just trace with the pencil. Okay, and name it as some A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and in this, what are the adjacent sides that are perpendicular? Okay, perpendicular edges you have to find. So AB is adjacent to BC. So take A, B, C. So AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC. This is your symbol for perpendicular. Okay. So here we write down somewhere. Symbol is perpendicular. Okay. And for parallel also you have the symbol. Symbol is parallel. This is the symbol for parallel. Whereas for intersecting line you won't find any intersecting symbol. Okay. Only for these two you have the symbol. This is a perpendicular and this is a parallel. Okay. So whenever you are writing now, how you will write this L is parallel to M. And here also it is L is perpendicular to M. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. And AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals. Write the pairs of parallel lines, perpendicular lines, intersecting lines from the figure in symbolic form. So parallel lines. So what are parallel lines in this? CD and AB are parallel lines. So how you will write? AB is parallel to CD. Same way AD is parallel to BC. So you have to use the symbol and write. How you will write? Like this. AB is parallel to CD. Like this, one more pair also you write it. And coming to your perpendicular. Perpendicular means, as I said, you have to form a right angle. So where the right angle is forming? Okay, at the corners it is forming the right angle. So how you will write? One example I will do. Okay. Suppose if I take DA is perpendicular to AB. DA is perpendicular to AB. Like this you will find 4 perpendicular lines. Okay, try to find out and write it. and pair of intersecting lines. So here how many pair of intersecting lines you are finding? So that also you have to find out. Clearly it is given in the text figure. Okay children? I hope you people are clear with the concept, that is types of lines. How many types of lines we have? So you can note it down in your notebook. And already we discussed this in the last year. I have shown you with the pencils. Do you remember or not? I don't know. So note it down and write down any 3 examples for each line. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day.